guys to a new video. So we have had the hens outside. They've trained like 2 hours. So I just cleaned the loft and I will let the young birds out so they have a look around, maybe even a small round. We will see what they will do. So that's what we're going to do next. I still miss one hen, so I'm not pretty sure where she is, but she will come around, so it'll be fine. So we had the young birds out, so we're gonna let them back in. I also did put this hen in here because she's pairing up with another hen, and the other one, that is the 401, we did here with the male ones. There she is. Just gonna leave them for like an hour and then we'll feed them and then we'll separate them back to where they belong, and I hope that it will work, but we will see. So the young birds are back. We also did separate the hens back to the loft for the hens. Now we're gonna feed the young birds if they want some. You can see still some food left, so they can eat during the day. Also just trying to get them here with me when I feed them. You see the ones we just weaned, I think they will be fed by an older one, but I don't think the older birds will do it. But they start to eat out of my hand. That's what I want. That's also how I will make them a little tame. So we have one young bird that has something like E. coli. So we have separated him from the rest to make sure that the rest won't get it. But yeah, mostly when you have it, the rest will get or have it also. So we have to keep that in mind. But yeah, for the rest, droppings looking nice. There you can see one there. So it's not looking that bad at this point. So I will feed the rest, the feeding tray, so the birds can eat. And then we're gonna feed the hens. Still one outside, not sure where she is. So we have to check that as well. And then we'll feed the male ones as well. So guys, we just feeded the hens. I just feeded them a little less because there was some food left. So they don't need that much, I think. So they're just still on the spotlight mixture from Bias. And in the drinking bowl, still the Duffler 3-in-1. So we now go to the male ones. I already feeded the birds without youngsters or eggs. So that's already done. So we only have to do the birds with youngsters or with eggs, or which one have to come on eggs. So that's bad. So that's what we're gonna feed now. And then we're also gonna feed them some egg food. And then we'll check on the birds, the young birds. And then we have another look with the young birds, and then we are done. So we also feed them here some egg food, also the young birds. You can see most of them are already chilling on the perches. So this pair, the Janssen male one with my best hen. There's two young birds, as you can see. So that's real nice. They came out like last night, I think it was. And then these guys, I think they will be out like tomorrow or the next day after. But so the young birds went out now today for the third time. And yeah, they start to flying some small rounds, not that big, not too much. But yeah, they are learning where they have to go back in and where to go when they are on a round. So that's the most important part, that they are learning on how everything works. So that's really nice. We have now 13 young birds, and we have some young birds in the nest balls. So I think all in all we will have around 20 young birds for this season. So that's a nice amount of young birds. So we'll check on the other young birds in the first part of the loft, so we'll go there. So with this pair, the hen she knows where she has to go. So it took about 2 days. That's fine right now. So the young one we have right here, I did feed him something today. He's eating a little, but not much. So in the drinking water he has the belgium. So I hope he will be better soon. You can check how the droppings are, if there are any droppings already. Not seeing that much. I see something, but it's still green. So I hope he will get better. So with this pair they have 2 eggs, and I think we can check if they are fertile. This one you can't see anything, so we'll check this one. And with this one there's something growing really tiny. So I think that one will be fertile, but I think they're also just waiting like 3 days now, so it's not that long. Then we have 2 young ones right here, doing really nice. See the droppings, nice and round, that's what you want to see. Then we have two here as well, but this male one is really a fighter, as you can see. It's not soft what he's doing, it's like it's just whipping off my skin. But yeah, then we also have Youngbirds, looking real nice, with my favorite hen. You can see she's real nice on the nest as well. It doesn't even bother me. So, but this one, yeah, just want to eliminate me. So, just gonna let him go, do that thing. So, that for today, guys. We're done with the birds. So guys, that was the video. I hope you liked this one. Please give a thumbs up. I'll subscribe to my channel. You can do it down below. I would appreciate it. See you in the next one. Bye guys.